That road collapse, it wasn't random. And with AI, we can actually predict when the road is about to fail before it actually happens. This, and this. Every rain season in Zambia, we see the same thing. Road washed away, bridges collapses, communities cut off. But here's the truth. Most of these failures leave warning signs long before they actually collapse. When rainwater enters small cracks in roads, passing vehicles create pressure that pumps soil out from underneath. The road slowly loses support, and once enough soil disappears, the road eventually collapses. But it's not just the rain. Poor drainages, blocked waterways, poor inspections, incorrect engineering estimates, all these can weaken the road without anyone actually realizing it. And the scary part is that most of this damage happens underground, where we cannot see. The question is, how do engineers inspect what's happening beneath the road? We use a technology called ground penetrating radar. Think of it as an ultrasound for the roads. Ground penetrating radar sends electromagnetic waves into the ground, and when those waves hit different materials such as soil, water, cracks, underground voids, they bounce back differently. By collecting reflections, we can create images of what is happening beneath the surface. The challenge is that those images don't make sense to an average person. Even trained geologists and engineers require years of experience to interpret these correctly. And that got me thinking, what if AI could actually help? So I collected ground penetrating radar from roads with known conditions. Some roads were healthy, some contained cracks, others had underground voids and structural defects. Then I trained an AI model to recognize patterns associated with these underground problems. The goal was simple: teach an AI to identify what is happening beneath the ground before visible damage appears on the surface. And the results were promising. The model was able to identify patterns associated with cracks, underground voids, and normal road condition. In other words, I built an AI assistant that can help engineers inspect roads using a ground penetrating radar. Now imagine the possibilities. Instead of waiting for the road to fail, we could identify warning signs much earlier. Instead of reacting after a collapse, we could take preemptive action before lives are put at risk. We shouldn't have to wait for the roads to collapse before doing something about it. By combining engineering, ground penetrating radar, and artificial intelligence, we can make infrastructure inspections faster, smarter, and more effective. Because the best way to deal with road collapses is to prevent it from happening in the first place. The next road collapse might already be visible underground. The question is, are we looking for it?